Good day. Welcome to our IGCSE Physics series. And we are looking at the first section of topics that you will find in your IGCSE curriculum. Here we will explain some concepts and try to give you a clearer understanding of what is in your textbook. Please feel free to pause and use the resources that we show in the slide series, and also note down anything that you think you will need in future. We hope you enjoy this series. Next, we have volume. And this is not the volume of your sound system or your headphones. No, this is volume of a space. So what is the definition of volume? Volume is the amount of space that something occupies. So if I am, let's say, showing you this, what amount of space, what is the volume that this takes? So if I have this in my hand, I'm not worried about the weight or the mass. I want to know exactly how much space this is taking in my hand. That is what volume is. How is volume measurement indicated? So volume measurement indicated, remember with area, we had a squared because we were multiplying two things with each other. But with volume, we are multiplying three things with each other. So therefore, we will have a cubed or a to the power of 3 measurement. So it will be meter to the power of 3, or centimeters to the power of 3, or tons to the power of 3. It can be anything to the power of 3 will show you the volume of an object. So how much space does something take? Which formulas do we use for calculating volume? So like I said, we have to calculate three things together. That means we are doing length and breadth like we were doing in area, but now we're adding height as well. So we have length, breadth, and height of an object are all calculated together to give us the to the power of 3 that we calculate. So because it's a power of 3, we will say cubic meters, cubic centimeters, or cubic and then the measurement afterwards. And cubic refers to the three things that we calculated together to get the volume of a specific area. Next, we have meniscus. So what is a meniscus? So for an example, if you have a glass of water and you can see through the glass, you will see that water is not a horizontal surface. It has a slight bend to it when you look at it. And this is the meniscus of water. So it's like a viscose level that kind of bends, and you can see it if you look very closely to a water level or any liquid level. And we have to take this meniscus bend into consideration when we are doing our physics calculations. So if you are eye level with the level of your water glass or your liquid glass, then you will see that each liquid has a different amount of bend to it when you are looking at it at a horizontal straight level. So how do we measure fluids effectively keeping the meniscus in mind? So if you are doing measurements and you have to measure how much liquid you have or the volume of liquid that you have to keep in mind that there is this bend that you need to take into consideration when you are measuring it. So the best way to make sure that you are effectively measuring liquids is to keep your eyes extremely level to the water level. So if this is the water level, you want to bring your eyes to the exact level so that you can see which height or which measurement goes with the level that you are looking for. And an interesting fact, mercury actually has a positive meniscus or a positive camber when it comes to the bend. So the one for water will look like this, but the one for mercury will actually have a slight upward bend. I just thought that would be interesting. Thank you for joining us in today's session on IGCSE Physics. We hope that this topic has helped you to gain some insight into what you can expect in this curriculum for physics. Enjoy your day. Bye.